how to delete reposts on Instagram. So if you've accidentally reposted a piece of content by clicking this repost button, then I'm going to show you how we can actually go and delete this from our reposts. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. You first just need to head over to your Instagram profile. You can then go and click on this repost icon in the navigation options. You can then go and hold down on the post that you want to delete, and you can see we have the option here to delete repost. Click on this, and just like that, the post has been deleted. Now if you want to mass delete reposts all at once, you can do this as well by heading over to your profile page. Click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side. You can then click on your activity, click on reposts, and here you'll find all of the content that you've reposted. You can press select in the top right hand side, and then from here you can just go and mass select all of the posts that you want to delete. You can then press delete in the bottom navigation and then just confirm by pressing delete. So that's how you remove reposts on Instagram. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.